Hello learners, now let us see how to find out this one's value 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square, this one's value, if it is given that 1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity. Okay, it's a simple question. Now let's see how to solve it. Now basic information, since 1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity, 1 plus omega square is nothing but 0. Okay, fundamental thing. Next, now if you see in our question there is omega power 4 and omega power 8. Let us try to simplify them first. Okay, now omega power 4 can be written as omega into omega cube, because like 2 power 4 can be written as 2 into 2 cube, like omega power 4 is omega into omega cube. Omega cube is 1. Okay, omega cube is 1. So this will be nothing but omega into 1, which will be nothing but omega. All good. Now next, omega power 8. Omega power 8, I can write it as omega square into omega power 6. I can write it as omega square into omega power 6. I want to keep the like 1 omega in 1 omega's power as multiple of 3, like 3, 6, 9, like that, because omega cube is 1. Okay, now next, so omega power 6 can be written as omega cube whole square. Okay, omega cube whole square. Omega cube is 1, so omega square into 1 square, and ultimately this is omega square. Fine. So omega power 4 is omega and omega power 8 is omega square. All good. Chalo. Now the given question, this is a given question, this will be nothing but this, like omega power 4 is omega, omega power 8 is omega square. Now if you'll observe, 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega. Okay, 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega will be nothing but 1 minus omega whole square. Likewise, this into this 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega square is going to be 1 minus omega square whole square. As I mentioned, 1 minus omega whole square into 1 minus omega square whole square. Next, this is like, you know, a square into b square, like one bracket square into other bracket square. This can be written as a square into b square, can be written as ab whole square. So you can club both of them and put the square combined to both of them, like you see 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square. Together they have a square. Okay, fine, let's move on. Now multiply what is multiply these two brackets inside, and the square will be outside there as it is. Now 1 into second bracket minus omega into this second bracket. Okay, basic expansion, 1 into 1 minus omega square minus omega into 1 minus omega square. Fine. Next, so 1 into this will be that only, 1 minus omega square, and minus omega into 1 is minus omega into minus omega square is plus omega cube. Minus into minus is plus, omega into omega square is omega cube. Okay, fine. Chalo, as I already mentioned, omega cube is 1, and here you can take minus common. If you will take minus common, I'll get minus of omega square plus omega. All good. Chalo. Now what is 1 plus 1? 2, and omega square plus omega is nothing but minus 1. Okay, omega square plus omega is nothing but minus 1. So I'd get 1 plus 1 is 2. This would be in the beginning minus of minus 1, and there is a square there. Okay, 2 minus of minus 1 is 2 plus 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square, it's nothing but 9. That's it, we found out its value. Okay, not just this question, you can check out the description. There are many other questions which I have done. You can get the link in the description. Please do check it out. Okay, uh, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. It will encourage me to make many more of such videos. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you.